The piece that manufacturing is missing is the entire world is driven on data now. I mean, just think about the AI, machine learning, all these buzzwords and everything that's going on. And the irony is that manufacturing doesn't make good decisions because they don't have the correct data presented in the correct fashion at the right time. And so the whole reason that I was so passionate about getting into this is I want the data out, because the amazing things that you can help the users with. We actually had a client, and he said, after he viewed the system and looked at it, he came back and he said, so you're telling me that if I go in to launch a production record and we have deviations against a material or deviations against a piece of equipment or something that we know we have to use, your system can actually go back in time, look at the effect of those deviations on other runs and give me a cumulative result that says this is the impact to your schedule. LTL delayed shipments are expensive. Running manufacturing overtime is expensive. Like, the amount of efficiency and cost savings that a company can get from just using the correct data is incredible. And currently we're working on the machine learning MLAI technology that will do just those things and put them into the system so that as users are using the system, they have real live data coming back that is intelligently telling them, hey, you might want to do this because of this, or elements like that. So that's actually the real thing that I'm kind of anticipating getting to here soon.